I'm not even trying to record nothing right now. I don't even have my head strapped at all. I'm gonna see how far down he wants to go. Downshift again. This Hemi with one hand.
Use the right lane to take the exit.
Look, he pulling up. I'm about to gap this car with one hand. Oh, look at this guy.
Take the exit, then turn right on. It or not. I don't know if this guy wants it or not. He has no chance. That's the funny part. This car, he knows he has no chance. I feel so much bullying this RT. This guy knows he has no chance. Like literally, no chance. I'm one-handed right now. I feel like I sound so cocky, but this is literally why I mess with Dodge. They'll pull up next to you. They'll literally drive your speed. They'll do a flyby. Pull up. Right here. Come on, bro. At the traffic lights, use
This dude trying to bully my car or whatever. Making all this noise. Let's just do one hit and be done. I don't know if you guys can even see what's going on. Look at this guy.
All right, so I was not planning on that whatsoever. Now, before y'all say it, no, I am not a cocky, arrogant individual. I do not initiate these races. If somebody is gonna pull up next to me, match my speed, and do an acceleration pull, you know what I'm saying? Okay, cool. Let's try to get it running. You know, that's all it is. But it just seems like it's always Dodge owners, bro. I don't know what it is, man. It's always Dodge owners. It's either they think the Shelby GT50 is an EcoBoost, which I'm honestly believing. At this point, I think people think that car is an EcoBoost or something that's not a, you know, a Shelby GT50. Or they pull up on this car. Actually, it's the first time somebody's pulled up. Actually, that's not true. That was one of the, you know, the times that somebody's pulled up on this car. You know, everybody has the memes, S650s being slow. So, you know, they try to mess with it. And nah, you know what I'm saying? These things aren't the fastest in the world, but realistically, they're not slow. Like, I knew this car wasn't that slow when I actually got that friendly run with my homeboy C8. I was like, okay, this thing actually is pretty, you know, it's got some pep in it stuff. It's not bad. So I thought that was pretty funny, man. I left in third gear. Obviously, it's a RT. You know, I knew I was gonna win again. No cocky stuff, but you know, us car guys, you know, we know. You know, if a certain car pulls up next to us, and we know, you know what those cars run. You know, on the street, quarter mile, 60 to 130, and just generally just going ahead and getting like a roll in. You know if you're gonna win or not. You know what I'm saying? Let's have some fun. That was funny, man. I literally was headed to the grocery store. I was headed back from downtown, going to the grocery store, and you know that happened. So that's kind of funny. Oh man, that's kind of funny. That's actually the first time that's actually happened in this car that I was able to catch on cam. I need to run up against like a 392 or something like that in this car. I'm really curious to see what this thing would do against like a 392, because the 60 to 130 times indicate that it might be actually a pretty good run, but like a stock 392 or something like that, maybe a 392 with like a resonator delete, you know, it might be something pretty decent. But I'm sure that'll happen eventually. You know, every time you hit the toll road in Texas, you know, somebody is trying to race you. So yeah, hey, look, maybe the next time it'll be a 392 or another Mustang, who knows.
A few moments later,
just like that, we got groceries, man. This is why I love the 2024. It's comfy as hell to drive. You can get groceries in it, and it's quick enough to go ahead and mess with cars on the street within reason. Is this a civilian in a police car right here? Bro, is that a civilian in a police car, or is that undercover? I don't know what that is, but if that dude like tricked out his Ford to look like a police car, that should be illegal. I'm trying to get a better look at this, but obviously not pull up too quick, because for all I know, it could be a cop. Because I know there'll be those weird dudes who put like, you know, what do they call that? What is that thing called in the front? Like the barricade? It's not really called the barricade, but y'all know what I mean. I'm not really into like the off-roading and you know, the utility vehicle, you know, world, but what is that called? But they be putting that on. They'll put the antenna and shit on the car. They'll put the lights on. Like, literally, I've seen it. I mean, it has the flood lamp, like, I want to get a closer look at this real quick. Hold on. It doesn't have the turn down tips. Okay, no, it has rims on it. Not really rims, wheels, but you know, I call those type of wheels rims. It has like the bullet hole, like, oh hell nah, bruh. That's a civilian car dressed up like a cop car. That's crazy. Or maybe he bought it like that, I don't know. A lot of traffic going on right now, y'all. I don't know what's going on right here. We got 3 tow trucks. And a cop, a bike cop. Whoa, this lady tripping too. Another Dodge. And there's so many like disgruntled people, bro. After the hurricane, bro, that hurricane has like severe psychological effects on some folks, man. Like, I'm not even from the South. That was my first hurricane, but I can just tell on the road, like, a lot more people are just impatient. I feel like people are just now getting power and they're trying to, you know, catch up on what they, you know, weren't able to do and missed out, you know, on last week. So you really got to be kind of careful out here for real. As I, you know, just ran somebody on the highway. But y'all know what I mean. For a second I thought that car was boosted. I was like, wait, I hear something. I'm like, wait. But that was that truck. That car sounded good. I like the stripe on it too. Usually you don't see S650s with the stripes. At least not right now. Maybe in like the 2025 models, 2026, you'll see more stripes. But stay tuned for the next video. I believe the next video is going to be me potentially going ahead and putting the car on the E30 mix, or it might be something else. I actually finished recording, or like pretty much I'm like halfway done recording with a video that I was going to upload today, but that Dodge that pulled up, you know, kind of distracted me, which honestly I'm not really upset about whatsoever. So next couple of days should be pretty interesting, man. So if you guys enjoy the content of the channel, make sure you guys drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications. This is literally like a raw, unplanned video, so it's gonna show. Like, I was not prepared for that whatsoever, man. Like, I just was not prepared for that whatsoever. So I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one, man. Deuces.